No.
All right now. All right, guys. So we're going on to the second phase. This is the second part of the video. We in the first video we didn't talk about the lime or the lemon. You can use either one or you can do both if you want. It's up to you. But you know, through Alicia and I enough, we go just do the lemon and we go do the lime and put it in there.
You don't have to use this if you don't have
Yeah, you don't have to. You can just squeeze the lime or the lemon, whichever one you have, and just throw in there. If you don't have no, if you squeeze the lime or lemon. And then, if you can see, so we have piece of, see the ginger right there, so what we are going to put in there. And see the next piece of lime right there, so. And we have with brown sugar right there, so. So far we finished scrape the passion fruit. And this you can see in our blender, that's it. So now we are do up the lime and see we have water right here, so. So we're going to put all that in it now and we are going to blend it up. We're going to blend it up real nice. What you say, Ali? Yeah.
Real Jamaican style.
Yes. We are country girls, so no bother can talk about say oh we video no proper and oh we video no edit and all these things. We are country girl and we as Lexo say, we girl better can cook. Look, we not there for just pretty looks. So yes. That's what we are gonna do right now.